What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I am going to be taking a beloved character, Tweety Bird, and answering the question, what would he look like if he was evil? I first started with some reference photos of Tweety Bird, and after I found one or two good ones that I really could capture the essence of Tweety Bird, then I had to decide what I was going to merge Tweety Bird with, or how I was going to find a way to make him evil. And from what I researched, this was, you get some angry Tweety Birds, but I wanted him a little more than angry. We wanted to take it to the next level and have him look evil and something you'd want to run from. So my vision of that was taking Tweety Bird, mixed with Predator, and mixed with some type of mythical dragon, and see how that comes out. First, I started with the overall shape and layout of Tweety Bird. And the thing about doing something like this, where I really enjoy doing it for a video being made in real time, is that I have no idea how it's gonna come out. I just know the direction I wanna go. So I just really am excited to see what comes out and if it's something I like. But regardless of that, I'm gonna do it as organized and constructed as I can do it. So it's really no right or wrong. The only wrong would be if at the end of this, he doesn't look evil. So as long as the drawing is tight, I'm already off to on the right track. So that is one thing I'm just making sure, is that the underpinnings is Tweety Bird, that you can tell it is Tweety Bird. So once I have that in place, I'm adding the Predator's mouth, and that is, I've never drawn Predator before. That might be a next one I bring into one of my videos, but this is all freestyle, and it is coming to life. And once I did it, I'm like, okay, that looks crazy. And then now we coming over to the dragon wings, and I just wanted that to be not as big as on the dragon. So then I realized I had to erase that right arm I did of Tweety, the right wing, I guess. Is it a wing or arm? Because now I'm putting dragon wings on, so how much wings does this character have? So I will call them arms. I had to erase the right one because I wanted that wing to show more. So I decided I'm just gonna tuck that right arm in a little more, and then add like 3 claws onto these arms right here. Since they're not wings, I'm gonna make them like little evil looking hands or something. I didn't want to change the big eyes up, because that is, you have those big eyes staring at you with this demented looking creature. It just adds a flavor of something definitely creepy. So now we get to that Tweety Bird yellow and the orange of the feet. And all of this is off the whim, the color of the claws. I decided I'm gonna make it the same as his beak, because the beak is basically like a claw on a bird, or that same type of material that makes up a claw, it makes up the beak. So let me just keep them all the same color. The wing, I decided to go with it kind of like the dragon color, and the inside of the wings has that kind of I guess more of like a reddish membrane kind of tone to it. So that's where my mind was at with it. Not changing the color of Tweety Bird eyes. I'm keeping him with the same blue that we know him. Just add a little bit of shadow. I created another layer on top, and I'm just using that as the shadow and highlight layer. And we're just adding a hint of shadow and highlight. I don't want it to overtake anything. So you're just laying that out in little pieces, and then we are gonna add the highlight after that. So now I'm coming with just little highlights on his cheeks, some on the wings there, on his feet. And definitely it looks like Tweety Bird is possessed. Tone that down a little bit. And now we just add in some more, tightening that up. And I'm just taking the opacity down a bit. Now a little shadow under his feet, so looks like he's standing on the ground. The bottom beak is not the same color as the top. And there you have it, folks. We are done. The evil Tweety Bird is complete. Sporadic drawing. Love the way it came out. If you did also, leave me a comment. Hit that subscribe button. Smash the like. Hit the notification bell. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.